I've been Masters Learning Center and IVMasters.com. Today we're going to look at 16 questions from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is from a harder set of math questions. Number 16 reads, one of the factors of 2x cubed plus 42x squared plus 2ax is x plus b, where b is a positive constant. What is the smallest value of b? Now, what you notice to get the solution from a higher exponent like we see here is your last step would be like this: x plus b equals 0. Then you subtract b from both sides, and you get x equals negative b. Okay. So what I'm telling you, this is the solution. Another way to say solution is x-intercept. The factor, notice it's plus b, this is minus b. So it's going to be opposite. So the easiest way to do this is just plug it into Desmos, see what your solutions are, and then take their opposite. Keep in mind that b is a positive constant. That's important. And we need the smallest possible value of b, so the smallest possible positive constant. So when we go to Desmos, we could see 0 and we could see negative 8. So we know that positive 8 is another solution. If we zoom out a little bit more, we see that there's a third solution, negative 13. But the factors are going to be x plus 8. So it looks like 0 is one solution, 8 is the smallest positive solution. That's going to be our answer. 13 is another solution, but that's not our smallest solution. Notice you can't see the whole thing. If we kept zooming out, then we could see, like, it looks like it's an N over there, backwards N. Okay. But anyway, we have our solution, it's 8. Could you do this by hand? You can. Okay, what's it going to look like if we were to do it by hand? First off, from here, we can see that the greatest common factor is 2x. If you pull out a 2x, you get x squared plus 21x plus 104. Okay, this I'm going to ignore for now. And keep in mind, well, it doesn't really matter because we're factoring it out. But the 2x, I could set that equal to 0. 2x equals 0. So that's where we get one of these solutions, x is 0. But again, I'm looking to form x plus b, and then b is going to be our solution. And then we need to factor the 104, where we need two numbers that multiply to give you 104 and also add to give you 21, because 21 is in the middle. And you could run right through it. I do not recommend going through 1 and 104 and 2 and 52. Usually take the square root and you work from there. And if we did that, we'd have 4 and 26, and you'd be working down. But as we saw before, we could cheat a little bit here to make this video not so long. It's going to be 8 and 13. 8 times 13 will give you that 104. 8 plus 13 gives you 21. So this fully factored, this is going to look like this. 2x. And then you're going to have x plus 8, x plus 13 equals 0. And notice, if I put x plus b above these, you can see that the b corresponds with 8, the b corresponds with 13, and we already said that x could equal 0, but it's got to be positive. 0 is not positive. We need the smallest possible value of b. 13 is bigger than 8, so once again, 8 is our answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty factoring or doesn't know that. They could just use Desmos for this. Pretty simple solution. Is there any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Ring that bell button. And if there's any question you'd like answered, leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And have a great day. We've got shorter videos here as well. Go to YouTube, IVMasters Learning Center. It's on the playlist, Test 2, Module 2B. Look for number 16 shorter videos just under the longer videos. Have a great day.